See, every time a new leads comes through my Instagram lead ads, all the users' details are automatically added inside the Google Sheet instantly. Name, email, phone number and everything gets stored automatically without me touching my phone. So instead of manually checking every lead and saving data one by one, this complete process is fully automated, and this is the exact automation we were going to build today. So at first I'll walk you through this workflow. Here I have connected my Instagram lead ads with Google Sheets so that whenever a new lead submit their information, the data gets captured and organized automatically in real time. This type of automation is extremely useful for businesses because with the help of this, no lead gets missed, all lead data stays organized and no manual data entry work. So whether you run a Facebook and Instagram ads for e-commerce, real estate agencies or any business, this automation can save hours of manual work every single day. And the best part, you can build this entire workflow without coding. So without wasting any time, let's start creating this automation step by step. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and then the sign up process. And you know what is the craziest part? After you do this, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. But before we move ahead, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of amazing automations for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. Now, after doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Connect, you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As we are creating a new workflow, so I am clicking on this plus create workflow button. After that, it will provide me two options, name as create from scratch and create using AI. You can also build a workflow from scratch, but I am creating this workflow by using AI. So I am selecting this option. See, this is the AI Studio feature of Pabbly Connect. Here you just have to give the prompt and your workflow is going to be created automatically. I'll show you this in real time. See, I have entered the prompt as automatically capture new Instagram lead ad submission and add all leads details to Google Sheet in real time. See, as soon as I send the prompt, it analyzes my request and it says that which Instagram lead ads trigger should start the workflow. So I am selecting it as new lead instant, and next it says that which Google Sheets action would you like for add row. So I select it as add new row. See, it will automatically create my workflow and asking me for my approval. So I am clicking on this approve and create button and it says that workflow created successfully. Now I am going to open this workflow and you will see automatically I have my trigger as Instagram lead ads and action as Google Sheet. So this is how smartly, by just giving one line prompt, you can create this type of amazing workflows. Now for making a connection between Pabbly Connect and Instagram lead ads, you just have to click on this option. After that, just click on this connect button, and if you have an existing connection, then you will go with this, but I am creating a new one, so I am selecting this and clicking on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Here I want you to know that my Instagram account and Facebook account is already connected with each other and it is logged in my system. So I am clicking on this continue button and you will see this is how easily you can connect your Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Moving forward, you just have to select the page that I'm selecting as the Magic Maker. See, this is the page where I am running ad right now, and the lead generation form I am selecting as new leads. After selecting the lead generation form, you have to select the response format that I'm selecting as simple and clicking on the save and send test request button, and you will see it started waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, you just have to click on a new tab and go for Meta for Developers. After that, you just have to go in this Meta for Developers link and you will successfully come on the official page of Meta. Here you just have to click on this resources option and go in this developers tools option. I am doing all this setup just only for getting this webhook response. After that, I'm scrolling down and you just have to go in this lead ads RTU debug tool option, and this page is going to be appear in front of you, where at first you have to select the page that I am selecting as the Magic Makers. This is the same page that I have selected here too. After that, the product I am selecting as lead retrieval and the form as new leads. After that, I'm clicking on this preview form button. See, this is the form and I want you to know that this ad is running in a default mode. After filling all the test details in each of these fields, I am clicking on this continue button and clicking on the submit button. See, the form has been submitted successfully. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. Here you just have to wait for a few seconds and you will see I received a new response that includes all the leads that I have entered while filling the form. This means that the connection between my Instagram lead ads and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly and the setup of my Trigger application is completed. What is Trigger? So Trigger sees when this happens. This is the first application you have to select for creating your workflow. And what is action? So action is do this. Action is the step that's what occur after the trigger. In our flow, the action application has Google Sheets. So I'm simply clicking on it. After that, you just have to make a connection. So click on this connect button. After that, click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. After that, the Pabbly Connect is asking for your permission. So permit it. And this is how easily you can connect your Google Sheet account with Pabbly Connect. Next, the spreadsheet I'm selecting as Instagram leads. See, this is the same sheet, Instagram leads. Here I have added the columns by the name of first name, last name, phone number, email and city. And as soon as I have selected the sheet here, it will automatically generate the column here too. Now in each of these columns, I am doing the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Instagram lead ads. So to do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this first name field, I am doing the mapping of first name. See, it is mapped. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing each user's information, dynamically mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, automatically every time on the new form submission, this data will change. After that, I am doing the mapping of last name and I want you to know that I have taken only some fields because my objective is only to teach you how you can do the automation by using Pabbly Connect. You can map more data, add more field completely based on your own business. After mapping all the fields, I am clicking on the save and send test request button and you will see I have received the positive response. Now I am going to show you my Google Sheet. See, automatically a new test record is added in my Google Sheet by the same name, that is test user, email address and the city name as Indore. Exact same that I have mapped in each of these fields. And I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. As a new record is successfully created in our sheet, this means that our action step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. And not only this, you can integrate multiple applications based on your business by using the single tool. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing workflow for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.